Hi guys, this is Mr. Cronin, and let's review the flashcards that we made in band. These are flashcards for chart 1 and chart 2 in our rhythm charts, okay? So the first flashcard, you can pause this at any time to copy them down on your own. Your first flashcard is this. You'll notice that my name is in the top right corner, and I've drawn a number 4 over a number 4. That's the front side. On the back, the definition and the name. It's called the 4/4 time signature. It means 4 beats per measure. Quarter note equals 1 beat. Feel free to pause so you can copy that down, okay? The next flashcard we made for chart 1 and chart 2. My name is in the top right. A big gigantic C, and on purpose, we brought the C down a little at the top and up a little at the bottom, so it's got a little bit of style to it, okay? On the back, the definition and the name. It's called common time signature, 4 beats per measure, quarter note equals 1 beat. So it actually has the same definition, but a different name than our 4/4 time signature. It's known as common time. 4/4 is the most common time. So they are the same thing, but they look different, okay? Next, for our rhythm chart 1, my name is at the top right. I've drawn a filled in oval that is slanted along a diagonal line. I've drawn a vertical stem to touch it. This is called a closed note head and the note stem, okay? That is called a quarter note, and we all know it's worth 1 beat and 2 pulses, okay? You can pause to complete those if you need. Next, for rhythm chart 1, my name's in the top right corner. Are you sensing a theme here? Always our name, always top right, okay? This is a slanted letter Z with a letter C attached right underneath it, okay? Slanted letter Z with a C underneath it. And it is, of course, called our quarter rest. It means 1 silent beat and 2 silent pulses. Now, if you were to tell me that it is 1 beat, on your quiz, on your flashcard quiz, you would not be correct. It is 1 silent beat because it's rest. Rests are silence. All right, moving on to our chart 2 knowledge. My name's in the top right. I've drawn an oval that is on a slanted line. Okay, that's an open note head. It's not filled in, it's open. Okay, I have a stem on the right side, the upper side of that oval, okay? We know, of course, this is called our half note. It's worth 2 beats, 4 pulses. And our last note card, name in the upper right. This is a horizontal line, a straight line, with a rectangle colored in, sitting on top of it. It was called the half rest, and it's worth 2 silent beats, 4 silent pulses. So when you take your flashcard quiz, you have to tell me that rests are silent, okay? Feel free to pause anywhere along the way. Be sure that your guys' note cards look really neat and tidy like mine. Have fun.